Hi, in today's video I'm going to review or recommend you a forex price action course you should definitely enroll and learn from it. Okay, so it is actually 100% free, and the reason why it is free is not because it does not work, it actually works. So the reason is simple, is because Langston, the creator of this course, actually did pay for a lot of courses which ended up not making him profitable, but not until he found out about this strategy and decided to make an entire and better forex price action course. So why is this course good? What can you learn from this course? What's there? So let's check it out. So there are two ways you can learn this price action course. The first way is through his website, and this is the website, or through his YouTube channel. Okay, so this is the YouTube channel. You can definitely subscribe to it for new awesome content. So let's just try to read what is written here. So it's saying price action trading is about price and removes all the confusion that indicators and other chart accessories can cause. When you look at price, there's a story that is being told that will assist traders in making sound and reasonable trade decisions. All we need is price and price alone to become successful and profitable forex traders. Okay, that sounds good. So there's no other price action mastery course that compares. This course has been crafted to do away with all the fluffy that you often find in forex courses. It delivers basic and advanced concepts about price in a way that is easily digestible. So if you notice about this course, it only has about 9 videos, okay, and the last one having of about 16 minutes or so. Okay, so like everything has been put in a way that you can easily understand, so there's no unnecessary stuff, like too much stuff. So every minute of this course is going to be worth it. So let's continue. So less is more. Okay, so you learn to trade based on price and the story that is being provided, and avoid the confusion that indicators, robots, and other chart accessories present. We approach the market in a simple and easily understandable manner, which results in huge profits and excellent risk supervision. Okay, so I'm going to skip this paragraph. I'm going to go to this. At EpicFX Academy, you learn everything you need to know in order to master forex price action trading step by step, regardless of what level you are starting at. You learn to trade forex the right and profitable way. So that sounds good. So now let's talk about the syllabus. How is the syllabus? What are you going to learn in this price action free course? So the thing you're going to learn is the intro. So introduction to forex. I'm sure you already know about this, what forex is, what's traded, currency pairs, okay, some when to buy and sell, what is a pip. I'm sure you already know about this. And after that, there's a quiz. So I forgot to mention one thing. If you enroll through this course, through this website, okay, you're going to be having some quizzes to help you try to see if what you've learned you've understood. But if you're watching from YouTube, you just be watching as if you're watching a movie. There'll be no quizzes to help you question yourself if you have understood anything. Okay, and now the most important part, you're going to learn about TradingView. So most people don't usually teach about how to use TradingView. You can actually use TradingView to your advantage. So you learn about dark and light mode. So when it comes to dark and light mode, I think it all depends with you. If you prefer the dark mode, you can use the dark mode. Or if you prefer the light mode, you can use the light mode. But you're going to see what he has to say about dark mode and light mode. So you're going to learn about the Kaiser, drawings, Fibonacci, text and labels, okay, log to hide, show data area, and so on. Also, you're going to learn about MetaTrader Web. So I've never tried out MetaTrader Web to trade because I usually have MetaTrader on my phone and on my laptop. But MetaTrader Web is also good for trading. So I've never created a video about this. So it's good that you can get to watch some about what you can actually use MetaTrader the web version. Then now we're going to get started with the price action now. So you're going to learn about candles, the range. Then when it comes to the candles, you learn about candle anatomy up to week views. Then when it comes to trends, you're going to learn about the market structure, pullbacks, major trends up to multiple time analysis. Okay. Then for the range, you're going to learn this. For the entries and the exits, you're going to learn this. For trade setups, you're going to learn this, and you're going to have quizzes as you learn. and okay, and you're going to learn about the profit, the risk reward ratio, the trade supervision. Okay, and the most important part, discipline and position sizing is very good. And you're also going to learn about trading journal. I've made a lot of videos about why you need to like document or record your trades. Okay, and the most important part is the psychology. Yeah, like you really need to know this. Okay, so if you skip other this stuff, you should definitely like get to learn about this. It's more important. So from there you're going to learn about the analysis checklist. Okay, so I think I also need to learn about the analysis checklist. This sounds good. Okay, so as you can see, like you're going to learn all this stuff for free. So actually this stuff you're actually seeing here, people actually pay thousands of dollars just to learn this stuff. But the good part is that as for you, you're not going to pay anything, and this is actually for free. So you definitely have to make use of this opportunity. Okay, while it's still free, before it changes his mind and adds a price to it. So let us continue. It's not yet done. So now how do you enroll? So as I said earlier on, you can enroll through this website, or you can just simply watch the videos on his YouTube channel. So what you can do is simply scroll below, and simply click on view product. So as you can see, it's free. What you're going to do is simply click on view product. Then okay, you're told this course is actually free. Okay, so let's take a look at the content. Although I already showed you the content you're going to learn, but these are the contents which I talked about already. So you're going to learn about all these in about 9 videos. Okay, which is good. Okay, I'm sure you're not going to spend more than a day just to learn this, but you can learn at your own pace and try to implement what you've learned. So don't rush, learn at your own pace, even if it's short. Then now this course, as I said, is free, so simply click on buy now. If you're clicking on buy now, you're not actually buying, you're actually enrolling. It's free. So what you have to do is simply click on it and simply enter in your email address. So I'd like to learn some stuff from him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to enroll as well, and I'm going to make a review later on how much stuff I've learned and how they've helped me in my trading. So let me just enter my email address. Okay, so that's my email address, and I'm going to click on continue. Okay, then I'm going to click on confirm. So now simply have to enter in my name and my password. Okay, so I am done enrolling into this course. So now I now have got access to this course. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the view product. Then now I can begin learning. So let me enter into full screen. So like once I'm done watching this video, simply have to click on continue or complete, and on my left side I can see all the videos or what I'm going to learn. So this is the welcome. This video is really gone far. Okay,
welcome to EpicFX Academy. So what is Epic?
Okay, so this is it about today's video. If you learned something from it, give it a like. For more videos like this, go on and subscribe. Bye for now.